Hi everybody, I'm Mrs. Blue bringing pre-K to you. Today you will need a piece of paper and some markers to do the activity with me. Today I am feeling happy because I found all of the letters around my house. On the last episode I asked you to find 3 letters. Will you help me name the letters? B, and the B says B. Great work! I asked you to find this letter. Do you remember what it was? E, and the E says like egg. Awesome work. And the last letter was a D. The D says D. Awesome work. And together our 3 letters spelled the word bed, like a flower bed. So Miss Baloo went around her house and found all of the letters. Will you help me count them, please? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I found 6 B's. Awesome. Let's count the E's. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 E's. And last but not least is the D. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 D's. Do you know which letter that I found most of? If you said D, you're correct. I found 7 D's. Which letter did I find the least? E. E only had 4, right? Awesome work. Our last episode, our vocabulary words included stem, leaves, and flower. Today we have 3 new words, and they're big words for big kids. Here to help me pronounce them is Veronica. Come on up here, Veronica. Say hello.
Hi.
Veronica is going to help us pronounce these big words. Are you ready? Our first word is
Oxygen.
oxygen. Oxygen is a gas that's in the air that we breathe. Our next word is
Carbon dioxide.
carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is in the air that we breathe out. And the last word is a huge word, and that word is
Photosynthesis.
photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is a process where plants take the light from the sun and the water and they turn it into energy to grow. And we're going to learn all about photosynthesis. Will you help me say it? Say photo.
Photo.
Syntha.
Synthesis.
Sis. Photosynthesis. Nice work.
Photosynthesis.
That's a big word, isn't it? So, we made up a song to help us remember photosynthesis. So, we made little headbands, and you could make a photosynthesis headband too. All you need is some strips of paper, tape or stick glue, and some flowers. That way you can make your own headband too. They're pretty cute. This is our song. So we are the flowers, and this is how it goes. Are you ready? Photosynthesis, photosynthesis. What do you do? What do you do? I bring in the sunlight. I bring in the sunlight, making me grow, making me grow. Do you think you could learn that song with us? Don't forget to practice at home, okay? So, photosynthesis is what plants use to help them grow. When the sun is shining on them, they kind of eat the sunlight, like how we eat food in burgers. Burgers. They absorb the sunlight and it helps them grow to be nice and tall and strong, just like how we eat to grow and be strong. So your guys' activity for today, get your paper.
Not my paper.
You could work right here, okay? And we are going to draw a picture of the photosynthesis, the whole process. So the first thing you're going to want to do is draw a flower. And remember, a flower has a stem and some leaves. We've learned about both of those things. And at the very top is the flower. Photosynthesis, photosynthesis. What do you do? What do you do?
Living in the sunlight. Living in the sunlight. One human down.
Making me grow. So once you have your flower, you could draw the sunlight. Sun, sun. Nice warm sun. Ta-da! There's my sun. How is your flower coming along? I bet it's looking great. You could even draw some drops of water if you would like. Because remember, plants need water to grow, just how we need water to grow and to live. We have a lot in common with plants, don't we? The last thing I want you to do is to draw an arrow showing that the sun is taking energy, or is giving energy to the flower. Because the flower brings in the sunlight, making it grow. So this whole process is a big word. Do you remember what the word is? Photosynthesis. Nice work. The next thing we're going to talk about is something really cool. So our two other words, oxygen and carbon dioxide, have a lot in common even though they're completely different. So oxygen is in the air that we breathe. We need it. You might see an older person on oxygen to help them breathe better. All of us need oxygen. So take a deep breath with me. Did you feel the oxygen go in to our lungs? Now breathe out. The air we just breathed out is not oxygen. It transformed. It turned into carbon dioxide. So breathe in oxygen with me and breathe out carbon dioxide. Plants kind of breathe like us. Instead of plants taking in oxygen, they give us oxygen. But plants take in carbon dioxide. So it's a cycle. You breathe in oxygen, and then you breathe out carbon dioxide. The plant takes in the carbon dioxide and gives us oxygen. So it makes a perfect cycle to live on. That's why trees and plants are very important for us to have on the planet. Alrighty. The next thing we're going to do is pick our letters. And we have a new way to pick our letters today. Are you ready? Help me sing the song. It goes like this. Bippity boppity boo. We're making alphabet stew. Pick a letter from the pot. Say the sound that you got. Whoa. What letter did we get? P. And the P says? We got our P. Now let's write it down on our piece of paper. To make a P, you do a long line down, a vertical line, and then you do one curved line on top. A little bump. Bump. And that letter is a P. Let's get another letter. Bippity boppity boo. We're making alphabet stew. Pick a letter from the pot. Say the one that you got.
I got an
O. Do you know what the O says? The O says ah. Like when you go to the doctor and they say ah, ah. Or when you're feeding your little baby brother or sister and you say, open your mouth, say ah, like that, ah. To make an O, you draw a circle. O, ah. One more letter to go. Bippity boppity boo. We're making alphabet stew. Pick a letter from the pot. Say the sound that you got.
I got a T.
T. Nice job. I love the letter T. T says
As in teacher.
yes, very good. Like a teacher. To make a T, you do a horizontal line on top, and then in the middle of your line, you're going to do a vertical line down. T. I think we did it again. I think we've spelled another word. Let's sound it out together. Ah. Ah. Pot. Pot. Like a flower pot. Awesome. Let's put our letters on our board. We learned the letter P. O.
O.
Ah. And a T. Do you know what your homework is? Get your letters. Draw some lines. And now you have to go around your house and find all of the letters. Don't forget to make your flower photosynthesis headband so you could wear it around your house and sing your song. Bye, guys. Don't forget, Miss Baloo loves you. Say bye, Veronica.
Bye.